Y'all think we're gonna catch any fish off that pile? You see Steve's bait. Oh, it was going. There you go. See his bait going down. Right to him. Oh, look at him. Charged it. Charged it. No, you got the right color. no, you got the.
As soon as it got down there.
Yeah, he charged it.
Yeah. I put it right on top of him.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Nailed it.
I wonder what's that way up top.
Huh?
There's some stuff right, yeah, way up top.
Look at him. Yeah. And when you catch, we just switch. Dang!
That's way up top.
Oh, man.
You see what jig that is, huh?
Which one? Oh, yeah, yep.
Gold pearl.
You nail it?
Man.
Yeah.
Let me tighten this daggone drag up some. That was a better fish.
Yeah. Did you see him in there, or you just it fell?
No, I seen it.
Oh.
He chased it.
I think loaded, ain't it?
Man. And with active fish.
Yep. Dang.
Is that the same
You
one?
can stay all day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically run underneath us. You can stay right probably all day and just be done. If you're good at, you know what I mean? Stay
Yep,
from the
yep.
top and
You coming out? Uh-oh.
I need to get in that. Get in more of the meat. Potatoes.
Look. You ain't gonna hit it.
You got on it?
Mm-hmm. I'm way up top though.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm talking about a 3 foot under the surface.
Oh, yeah, that one right there. Got it.
There you go. Maybe I need to go down deep.
Yeah. I think because they're more crowded. So if you don't get one, you'll get
Yeah. What color you got on?
that orange and truffles.
Oh, okay.
Somebody just tied it yesterday. They said they found a quarter ounce. I was like, okay, I'll try this. Said a lot of them were finicky. That's why they were using tipping them.
Mm-hmm. Couldn't tell where you hit them just
the
now.
first couple, they were like. What, fish up top or a branch? I think it's a branch.
Fish under it though.
Got him?
Yeah.
Oh,
The other one. Little bitty one, y'all. Y'all see what color that is? That's that gold pearl. Bam. Nice little white crappie. I'm gonna put me a nibble on.
yeah, that might come.
Yep. Make them take it deeper. Yeah, I'm gonna change colors already. I thought the water was gonna be dingy, but that's pretty clear. Got something for that too. Old Limits tackle. You still following?
That might be a neat tree or the one above. Man.
You got to be kidding me.
Pecking it?
No, he hit it. See what I got on, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if you're on the wrong side of that tree, it's pretty tough. Look at that bait, or white bass, or sand bass, or something.
Yeah, big catfish go through there, they'll react. Oh, there you go.
That's a small one. He shot out there way too far. Yep. I seen him. He darted from way up middle of the tree out there. Bam!
Look at that.
Ooh! Fish shallower than, I'm willing to bet he fish shallower than what a lot of people probably thinking. That thing, they're stacked.
Yeah.
Oh, that's some big bait too.
They're all over. Bait on the side. Deeper. It might be deeper too. Yeah, that one's over there too. Darting after it. Got him. That's a good one.
Yep. Feel a little better. Feel a little better. Putting them on ice. Oh, look at that. I'm glad I went ahead and put them in the box. Me in the boat. No scent. Put me a little fish scent on him, on that jig now. Put me a little fish scent on it. On one of these them special. Huh?
I'll put the nibble.
Oh, I ain't had no nibble.
Oh, you didn't? Okay.
That's that old
oh, that juice.
The color.
Oh yeah.
That's that
that blue?
turquoise.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That green water, like.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah. That's about the quarters. They scare them more too.
Right. That's why I want to stick with that little lot. That I think that's a 30-second weight that I got on there. Jig head.
Yeah. His brother trying to get it now.
Yep.
Oh man, tapped it.
Dack on it. So that's what I like about a limits tackle bait right there. See, I got nipped. No barb. That bait's still in place. That's what's the magic about it. That's the magic. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Yep. Yeah, decent, about like that other one. Man, they chasing it up. And when I tell you barely picking it, they barely picking it. There we go. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I might need to go with a bigger hook. He took it. You think? It's kind of small.
That's good for it. I like eating them like.
Oh, well,
yeah.
Okay.
Make them crispy.
Yeah. Is he 11?
And them black blues on there too. That'll kill him.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, right on top.
Mm-hmm. That's what's the spotlight.
Yeah.
Got the right amount of wind to hold it.
There you go.
Mm-hmm. That's one of the middle ones.
Yeah, they're small.
Yeah. If these little blacks in here, I know some big ones in here.
Yeah, the water is kind of weird, man. It's like an oily.
Look at that rod tip.
Yeah.
That's 4 foot down. I'm willing to bet that blue dust will work too.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Cause they can see really good. That water's clear, dude.
Yeah. Did you see that one's chasing it?
Yep.
For a good distance.
Yep. Oh dang. And some good ones. See, one, look at one trying to follow it down.
Yeah.
Look at that joker.
Uh,
You see how far that fish came up? Look at what color. Gold.
gold, yep.
You think? Nah.
We may not have a lot. I'm waiting. I'm gonna break that again.
Well, you? Oh, you got the thing right here. I got some more if you want one. Yeah. Okay. That fish 11 inches. That joker is little. Huh?
That's why they're so finicky.
Did you see how far that fish came and hit that
No, I
jig?
didn't even see it. That just tells me that water's real clear.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Nope. I thought he was hooked,
Yeah.
but I could feel him.
Yeah.
See, look at that joker come out.
Ooh, that's a big fish there. Oh, it's just a bunch of them together.
Yeah. He's looking at it. And go back. Side of his zone.
Oh.
You got him.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Cookie cutter.
Let me try a gold dust real quick.
All right.
A pearl tail or straight gold?
It's that yellow. Gold and yellow. Gold head,
Yeah.
gold body.
I don't really fish gold dust.
Really?
Not a lot. I got so many colors, man. I'm like,
And I'm using a crappie nibble.
I got gold dust with a.
Gotta have a crappie nibble. I'm saying got to, but.
With the orange tail.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yep.
Oh man.
Gold dust.
I might have waited too long.
You going deep.
He tapped it. There you go.
Cookie cutter. All right. It is. Yep. Got him? Yeah. Yeah. Cookie cutter.
There's too many not to leave with a few, you know what I mean?
Yep. Yes, sir. Wish them jokers weren't so deep. Yeah. That ain't gonna keep. Tell you what, they ain't wasting no time on it.
He hit it, but he wasn't real.
Yeah, wasn't aggressive. Dang. That's where the big mama's at.
It's crazy how the angle, you know what I mean?
There you go. Ooh.
Put a bigger gap between my weight and my. Put a bigger gap in there. Oh, that one's good.
Good one?
No, fish. The gap between the weight and the jig so they don't go after the weight.
Oh, yeah. So, well, I'll never see nothing like that on Lake Houston. Never.
Like that.
Yeah, buddy. Never. That's why I tell you, everybody that get the fish out here, they lucky. Lucky. There you go.
Felt like one at the beginning.
Thumped it.
He didn't let it straighten out that jig, and he had it. Probably all depends on the angle it comes in.
Yep. They pecking it, just peck.
Yep.
You know what? Let me get right. I'm going downsizing. I'm getting tiny. Teeny tiny.
Is that a micro? No.
Yeah, you can classify it's number 6. I see you up there. Oh.
You hit it pretty good once I got the spot.
Oh. Thought maybe you just forgot it open. I was gonna close it. Round and round he goes. There you go. That felt like it sounded like it got some weight.
There you go.
Yeah, no, little black. Little black. Bam! They lied about their wings.
Shad came in there. There you go.
Yeah, he hit it too hard. I know he's little.
That thing gold.
Nah, I got on blue now. Blue black. Blue black. I probably should have left that gold on. I think we just picked the active fish off that pile over there. They was hitting that gold pretty good. You still putting me a nibble on?
No. They're hitting it. It's just they're not.
Oh.
Other ones are small.
Still some down there.
Get that one in the middle.
That's a good fish, if it ain't a catfish. I think it's a catfish. Oh, he hung on. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a good crappie.
Yep.
Oh, blue black. Oh, blue black. Take a picture of that one, send it to Bluegill. You see him charge it?
Yep.
Want one of these? Oh, do you?
Yep.
Yeah. Did he slime the lens up, y'all? No. Dang, you see that joker? I scared him. Oh, one just followed. 2 of them followed you up.
Yeah. They're just nibbling. There you go.
You sure you don't want a blue?
Right after
Oh, they all little though. Oh yeah, nibble. Yeah. Cause I got a nibble on. That might be the ticket.
And then the one below them, see them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there he goes. Yep. Got him. Yep.
Little. Yeah. I'll tell you what, they taking this jig though. No.
This a blue body blacktail.
Yeah, it's
Oh yeah, some sparkle. I like that sparkle. Is
yep. That's that
pearl? No, it's a. Oh yeah. Crystal.
blue head,
Yep.
blacktail.
Yeah.
They work good on bluegill and shellcracker too. Right there. You got a split shot on?
No, just he's turned toward the tree.
Mm-hmm. Right there. At him.
Kind of weird. It has to be. There's two there. Looks like.
Yep. It look like two. Let me go and put that blue on. I gotta come back towards the motor.
Yeah, come down. You're up here.
Can't see the daggone sun. That sun bright as sun. I can't see nothing.
Yeah,
Down more?
Yeah, let it down. Probably another 5 foot.
I can't see nothing.
Yeah, I can see it. You're right on. Yep, there he goes. He's moving. He's reacting.
You still see my bait?
Yeah, see it right above it?
Oh, yeah.
A little bit. Yeah, come up a hair.
Jig not bright yet.
There it goes, right there. Turning. Got him.
Oh, that's catfish. If that ain't a catfish, that's a good fish.
Uh-oh. Yeah,
If that ain't a catfish, that's a good fish. I think that's catfish. Drum. Hey, them jokers look just like a crappie on that line scope, man.
Yep. You recording?
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
Man, that's that 3-pound drum.
Hey, everybody been catching them, man.
Yep.
I'm talking about everybody. God daggone you, drum. Ought to take you home and do a test cook on you. I'll be able to see it right there. It's loaded too.
Yeah. Start knocking it out.
That big school of bait up top.
Yeah.
They just sitting down there chilling. Yeah, we got them, y'all. We just need to wait. Kind of full right now. Already?
Yeah, hit it on the bottom, on the bottom. I saw that. Don't. It's big. I got him.
Cool.
Felt like a little bluegill at first. When I got him. I was wondering what the hell was wrong. I got him underneath the jaw.
Look at that big joker sitting there looking at that bait.
Yep. Oh man. Eat.
Turn away, you dirty dog.
They'll come back later. It's a matter of time. Looks like a bigger fish over here. Damn it.
That joker, you see how far that fish came up?
Yeah.
That joker charged up from the bottom.
Keep it away from me.
Down his throat. I wish Lake Houston had crappie in it like this.
Just go over there and just. It's good for kids, man. You know what I mean?
Yep. Good for adults.
Oh yeah.
Good for me.
Yep.
There you go. Oh. Oh, he ticked it.
You felt him?
Look at him right there.
Oh yeah.
They can't resist. He might keep. He just, yep. You want me to dig you one out? I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and tie you one on. You didn't catch that on that the one with the eyes. I'm gonna tie you one on. Yeah, split shot. Yeah, it's a 30-second. Look at this little joker here. Yeah, they want that small profile. Yeah, he make it. He make it. You know, this is one of them jigs that I used to fish with all the time, and it just got lost in the rotation. And that day me and Bluegill was on Conroe, and it was super tough. I looked at that jig, I said, man, you know what? I ain't fished this jig in so long. I'm ready to tie this joke on. This used to be a hot bait.
Oh, yeah. I like the Chanel color.
Yeah. Yeah, a little one. All I gotta do is just put it down now. Double. Oh, he might keep. He might hit the old level. He might make the trip, y'all. Worth a check. Oh, now we let him make it. There you go. That's a good one.
Nope. He set good, but nope.
Dang.
On the bottom right there.
Woo. Ooh, that feel good.
Well, you have to fish the east side of the lake. One time we'll go over there.
All right.
Yeah, if you go all the way to, oh, that's right. Let's do that. Let's go explore that south end.
All right, that cooler gonna hold right there?
No, I'm gonna move everything.
Where you want me to put it at? Just on the floor?
Yeah.
Cool.
That way you can see the south end of the lake.
Yeah.
About 10, 15 minutes.
You move that oh, I got it right here.
Oh yeah. Let's put it back in the seat. Yeah.
Double. You sure you don't want another one of these?
No.
That fish came a long ways for that jig. Hey, he took it too.
Way out the bottom.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. 15 foot down.
Sticking the butt out.
Mm-hmm.
Tight to that tree.
Turn away. Coming back to the tree. 2 of them.
Oh yeah.
I don't believe there's no crappie
I
though.
don't think so. They're moving to.
Yeah, them catfish. You can see that.
Man,
Yeah. That would have been a fight like son. That would have been a fight right there.
Yeah. Good fish.
Is that a lay down right there, or is that all fish?
Tree and no, it's all fish. There's some good ones in there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go and come back.
Watch it, watch it.
That's it. That's it. Just under the foot.
Yep.
They're gonna drop, man. It's big.
You know, we're sitting on top of the other stump.
Yeah.
Might be a blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
So on it,
Come on out of it.
little one. Bluegill. I thought you had him. Don't knock my crappie nibble off there, buddy. Hold on. You little.
That may all be little gills.
You think? Pretty good sized fish. And then they sitting there with that catfish.
Yeah. There you go. That looks better.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Black, nice black crappie. I'll be dang. Yeah. Yeah, buddy, that's nice. Nice and thick. Look like old Lake Houston crappie. There you go. Y'all don't let nobody. There was a video floating around on a got pushed pretty hard by some people. Don't ever let somebody tell you that scent don't matter.
Oh, yeah.
Don't never let somebody tell you that. There you go. Oh yeah, yeah, maybe. $14 feet of water. Dang, I ain't see that one. There you go. That's a good one, yeah. Oh, well, dang. Yeah. Nah. Eh, maybe. I doubt it. You can check it. It'll be a whole fry. I don't think he is now.
There you go.
Yeah, it's slow right here is working. He might make an old black crappie. Oh, really?
All black?
All
black?
What's that? Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. It'll bitty. Dumped it though. I feel better one. You might keep. little joker, you. You should have did all that when you're still in the water, buddy. I'm just wiping fish slime on it. They liking it pretty good. Huh? Yeah. 11 inches.
That same one.
Gotta stay hydrated. Ah. Get him, Steve, get him. Oh, there go one leaving. Well, he ran out to get some. There go two leave. One. Oh, god dang. All right, y'all. I got to drop old black down there. I was with old blue. Now I'm with old black. One act like he going. Are you following it? Uh-oh, I messed up and let it down on him.
Yeah. You like up?
Yep. If you let it down, you can hang it up just about it. It's gonna turn them away.
It's pretty crazy, isn't it?
Yep. You gotta keep it going. Once you get him to follow. Get me on my split shot. He was on my split shot. Let me just hold it still, see what happens. Woo.
Sun, you can feel it now.
Oh yeah. At late evening.
Them clouds. Once you get them
I don't know how you could, man, they don't burn your arm.
Nah.
Look at what?
If that wasn't there, the wind would be pulling us.
Oh yeah. Good fish from that paw. There we go. Yeah. Just letting it sit. Another one. Just letting it sit. Oh.
There you go. You look like a good one.
No.
I got one. This is a good one. Keep it.
Oh yeah.
And that one that I just seen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think that's no crappie. I don't think there's no crappie. Another big goo or catfish. Feel like a goo. Cat. You want it? I don't want it. That's a channel. Be your tailbone still. No. I wish you would have. Gotta get my glove off. There you go, buddy. Get! Work out good with me with this 12 and you got an 11.
Yep, yep.
I go a little bit ahead of you.
Yep.
Got him already? Yep.
Let it sit there.
Yep, that's what I've been doing. Just letting it, just let
them all moving.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you move your jig just a little bit
and they take off. Yep.
I'm like, dang.
Took it deep again, huh?
Yep.
Oh, you fishing. I'm gonna put it up under your chin. trying to put it, I know the boat gonna move, but I put it in the shade for right now. You ain't gonna drink that fast, no way. Ooh, yeah. Oh man, that's a headache cold. Oh, eagle.
Oh, bald eagle.
Them jokers this horrible with a drone. So Nick, you gotta watch out for them old hawks and eagles. Yes, sir. I done had some close calls. I rarely fly it on Houston because you got so many of them daggone eagles. Don't make them old biggins act right. One thing I don't like though is gotta pull everything out on this reel. There ain't no open the bail and fast drop.